عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا إخوة وأخوات في دين الإسلام. الحمد لله كل شيء تمام في هذا الليل. I'm just waiting for the bus right now, waiting for my wife. You know, she's getting off work, so I'm waiting for her. You know, it's kind of dark, so I don't want my wife walking by herself in the dark. So yeah, inshallah, I'm gonna wait for her until she gets here. And I'm gonna tap in with y'all, touch bases, you know, while I'm waiting for her, alhamdulillah. I just wanted to, you know, talk to you guys about the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and how perfect he is in everything he does and how he puts things together. It's always in a perspective that's the correct perspective. You know, Allah, he always moving in the right direction. Ain't nothing that he could ever do would be wrong, you know. And alhamdulillah for him granting me the understanding to know about him and to worship him in the correct way, inshallah. And I just love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for blessing me with my wife, you know, and allowing me to be on my own, to take care of a wife, you know, and to protect and provide, you know. Can't wait to have kids, more Muslims, you know, in the Jamaat of the Sunnah, inshallah. I just love this religion, you know, and Allah has just been blessing me and making my life more beautiful and increasing my iman and my yaqeen. So now I know that I'm taken care of for a fact, and I know Allah rocking for me, and I'm certain in the hereafter, and I'm certain in these things that I know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to be there for me, you know. And through the hardships, I'm already knowing that there's going to be tests and tribulations, but I also know that it's not about what happens to you, but it's about how you handle it and how does it affect your iman, you know. And I'm usually looking for things to increase my iman. Even when it's a hardship, when I get through that, that's also an increase in iman, because, you know, I got through it, alhamdulillah, and I know that it's a test, a fitna, a tribulation, you know, that I have to get past. And it's just helping me to worship my Creator even better, alhamdulillah. So I just can't be more grateful, you know. I couldn't be more grateful for this, you know. And I just wish that everybody could have this and grow in the understanding the Creator, you know, and building that relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because he is the most important thing in this life, in the next life, ever in existence, you know. So may Allah just grant us all this highest level of paradise, the protection from the punishment of the grave, the temptation of the dunya. You know, may he allow us to practice this religion like the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his righteous companions, radiyallahu anhuma. And, you know, may he give us the tawfiq and the ability to wake up for tahajjud, inshallah, and to pray all 5 salats, and, you know, and to get the sunnahs in, and to revive his sunnah, you know, and to make this world know about Islam and to believe in it as well, inshallah, you know. I wish that may Allah guide the whole humanity, inshallah, you know. But I just was tapping in with you guys. May Allah give you all everything that you need, inshallah. Stay tuned, you know, and please subscribe, inshallah. Jazakallahu khairan wa barakallahu feek. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah.